Most children have educational tools at their fingertips to learn programming. These tools, such as Scratch, rely on visual cues. Children with visual impairment use screen readers, which are often incompatible with these tools.
Here at Team Accessible Programming, we are working on Blocks for All, an iPad app designed to teach block programming to all kids with and without vision impairments. The creator, Lauren Milne, is a UW CSE PhD candidate.
Over the last 10 weeks, we have worked hard and learned lots.
Edward was born with a congenital condition called LCA type 1, which affects his retina. A typical person would have 20/20 vision, meanwhile Edward has 20/400 vision, which makes him severely vision impaired. But he uses various technology in school to access his schoolwork, Braille, and uses a cane. I would say that his favourite part of this project, working on Blocks for All, is the fact that it's user-friendly for him, it's very age-appropriate, fun and very engaging for him. But the best part is that he's able to access it and use it along with his sighted peers.
Probably coding with the robot.
Working with outside stakeholders has been very fun and challenging. With them, we found many problems going from our initial to our final design, but we also came up with many new ideas we may not have had otherwise. Being able to have input from different perspectives has helped us make a more user-centered design.
I think I've learned just how important collaboration, communication, and planning are to achieving goals. I think that there aren't a lot of things in the project that couldn't have been accomplished without the whole team and all of our needs experts working together.
Some of the biggest challenge that we encountered during the project was none of us have any iOS development experience, and then we have a really complicated code base that we have to figure out what's going on. And plus, how vision impaired people they use iPad is really different from how we normally use it. So it's like we have to take lots of things into considerations.
Our project's overarching goal is to contribute to accessible educational tools for learning block programming. This overarching goal breaks down into 3 sub-goals. Goal 1. The user should be able to create programming activities that can be completed using a screen reader. Goal 2. The user can manage created activities via editing or deleting them. Goal 3. Users can solve activities that have been designed using the activity creator.
After we established our goals, we thought of a few key use cases using storyboards. Educators can create custom activities for their class that are compatible with screen readers, and parents can get involved during playtime by creating unique activities that suit their child's interests. Finally, kids can complete activities and create even more for their friends.
After specifying our use cases, we developed a paper prototype which we shared with Edward and Carolina to get their immediate feedback on the design. With our needs experts' ideas, we began extending the Blocks for All application using the Swift programming language. We used Xcode as our development, build, simulation, and deployment environment. We leveraged Apple's fantastic ecosystem for developing applications with accessibility needs in mind. Our application is optimized for low vision users by fully supporting screen readers such as VoiceOver. With a working prototype addressing our sub-goals, we began user testing. The main constraints and limitations which we faced while developing were time and testing. With only 10 weeks from inception to final demonstration, we met with our needs experts every other week. Since nobody on our team has low vision, getting Edward's input was invaluable.
We needed to keep the application usable by kids, parents, and educators. Carolina was a great resource for testing this constraint. Following user testing, we fixed errors and problems found along the way to come to our latest version. Edward really loves the application. Now he just wants to add more blocks.